Shri Sairam. Welcome to Shri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Today's lesson, Where There Is a Will, There Is a Way, Part 2, Class 6 State Syllabus, Second Language English. In this class, we will discuss book back question and answers. First, complete the following statements by choosing the right answer from the 4 alternatives given. First question, Wilma Rudolph is famous as? The correct answer is Black Gazelle. Second one, Wilma is a dash. He is a sprinter, fast runner, which means. Third one, Wilma's legs were weak because dash. Correct answer is her legs were affected by polio. Fourth one, Raffer found it difficult to run dash. Correct answer is wearing spiked shoes. Fifth one, decathlon is dash. The correct answer is a competition where athletes take part in 10 separate events. Next, question and answers. Read the lesson and find the answers for the following questions or say the answers orally. First question, where was the 1992 Olympics held? The answer is the 1992 Olympics was held in Barcelona. Next question, who are the 2 athletes that this lesson talks about? The answer is the 2 people that this lesson talks about are Wilma Rudolph and Raffer Johnson. Next, third question, to which country did Wilma belong? The Wilma belonged to the USA. Next, fourth question, what was the doctor's recommendation to improve Wilma's legs? The answer is the doctors recommended regular massages to get her leg back to normal. Next, fifth one, what happened to Raffer's left leg? Answer, Raffer Johnson's leg were crushed in a machine when he was 12 years old. Sixth question, list out the events in decathlon. Answer, decathlon is a competition where athletes take in 10 separate events. There are 100-meter dash, long jump, shot put, high jump, discus throw, pole vault, javelin throw, 1500-meter run, 400-meter run. Next, discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First one, many countries send their teams to the Olympics. Why? We have to tell what is the reason. Next, answer, many countries send their teams to Olympics because it is one of the world's biggest events. It is an honor for any country to send her athletes to take part in the Olympic Games. It is not success or failure that counts. What matters is participation in games. Next question, why are the players not happy when they just win? Answer, the players are not happy when they just win because they want to set a new record and become the world's best athlete. How did Wilma's family help her? Answer, when Wilma was bedridden with polio, the doctors recommended her regular massages to get her limp leg back to normal. Each member of her family took turns to massage her limp leg, and gradually she was able to walk. Fourth one, how did Raffer suffer as a boy? Answer, when Raffer Johnson was 12 years old, his left leg was badly crushed in a machine. The tip of one of his toes was hanging out as though it would fall off. Raffer was upset. He lay in bed and prayed to God for his mercy. Although the surgeon could save his leg, it did not heal completely. Despite his weak left leg, he took great interest in sports. He often had difficulty in wearing spiked shoes. He did not stop the regular practice. Next question. What do you learn from the lives of these 2 great athletes? Answer, we learned that despite of their disabilities, the 2 athletes had willpower, determination and perseverance to overcome their weakness and achieve their goal. Both these champions had a dream and they set themselves a goal to achieve their dreams. Their determination to achieve their goals made them as famous athletes. Arrange the details given below in a sequential order and rewrite them as a paragraph. Okay, they have given few sentences, few phrases. We have to arrange them in order. First question, she was in bed for 2 years. Second one, she became well in course of time. Vilma was weak as a baby. Next, she played for her school in one of the matches. Next, she had regular massage of her limp leg. Next, she had an attack of polio in her 4th year. Okay, these all are jumbled sentences they have given. We have to arrange in correct order. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, first one, Vilma was weak as a baby. Second, she had an attack of polio in her 4th year. Next, she was in bed for 2 years. Next, she had regular massage for her limp leg. Fifth one, she became well in course of time. Sixth, she played for her school in one of the matches. Okay, next they have given few clues. We have to find out the correct answer. First one, who are the following? In that first, one who participate in running race. Okay, that is runner. Second, one who takes part in field and track events, that is athlete. One who runs fast for short distances, that is sprinter. Fourth one who is injured as a result of a disease, that is victim. Next, complete the following paragraph choosing the correct word from those given in the brackets. Okay, they have given few words in the bracket, we have to choose the correct one. All the students of class 6th went to the stadium and dash of them participated in individual events. Okay, which one will come here, SOME or SEM? SOME sum means like unspecified numbers or something. Okay, and another sum is related to mathematics, total of something, that is another sum, SUM. So which one is correct? SOME is the correct one. Next, a few of them in group events and the remaining went to the cheer up there and there. Okay, which one is correct here? THERE or THEIR? THERE means to point out something, and another THEIR is belonging to some other. So here correct one is THEIR. Cheer up their friends. Rohit was good runner when the race. Okay, which race should come here? RACE or RAYS? RACE is like competition between two people or horse or any vehicle, and another race is something like it's like sun race also, we can take it as example. So RACE is the correct one here. When the race began, all his friends knew or knew. Which one should come here, knew or knew? All his friends. NEW means like something which is for the first time, that is new, NEW. Another new is if you know something, this is past tense of know. If you are aware of something, that is new. Okay, here these friends are aware of something that he would win. Okay, here this word is correct, WOLD is possibility, and another word is a piece of tree. Okay, a part of tree. So the correct answer is KNEW and here WOLD, that is the correct one. And next, in the finals, Rohit won. Okay, this also won, this also won. Which is the correct answer? This is talking about single thing, and another one talking about victory. So here WO, and that is the correct answer. The first prize. Here also two prizes are there. Which is the correct one? PRIZE, that is a reward of something. For best performance, we will give something. It can be thing or it can be anything, or certificates or cups. So many things we will give it as reward, right? That is PRIZE. Another prize, cost of something. a particular amount of something. If you want to buy it, we will ask that price, right? That is PRIZE. So here this price is correct one, PRIZE, and became the overall champion. I hope you all understood this. Okay, next, sum of words given in the box. Circle the opposites of these words in the search box. Okay, search in the box. Okay, they have given these words. Opposite words also they have given in this box. We have to search and circle them. First, thick. Opposite of thick is thin. Okay, where is thin here? Okay, here is the thin. You have to circle them. Next, far. What is the opposite of far? Near. So here is the near. Just circle them. Next, wrong. Opposite of wrong is right. So here we have to circle them. Next, beautiful. Opposite of beautiful is ugly. So here it is. Next, strong. Opposite of strong is weak. So here is the weak. Next, cruel. Opposite of cruel is kind. Okay, here is the kind. Next, finish. Opposite of finish is start. Okay, here it is. Next, at last, fast. Opposite of fast, slow. So here it is. I hope you all understood this. We'll move on to next. Next, complete the phrases and sentences given below. You can select words from the cloud. Okay, in this cloud they have given few words. We have to fill in the blanks by using these words. First one, he drives carefully. Second one, I speak to my parents politely. I reached home safely. She solved the problem easily. Next, we come to school slowly. I sit in the library quietly. I play with my friends happily. You can fill with any other words also. We will move on to next. Can you make similar sentences? Complete the following. Okay, they have given adverbs here. We have to fill in the blanks with correct words. First one, she sang happily. Second, we talked to elders politely. Third, I climbed the hill easily. Fourth, the snail moves slowly. Fifth, I reached home safely. Sixth, we sat in the classroom quietly. Seventh, I walked on the road carefully. Eighth, she sang softly. Next, we'll move on to next exercise. Read the phrases given below. Some of them apply to Vilma, some of them to Raffer, and some of them to both. Write them in a correct column. They have given columns here. You have to choose which applies to which person, whether to Rudolph or Raffer. First, an Olympic player. Okay, both of them are Olympic players. So we can write it under both. Next, suffered from polio. Who suffered from polio? We all know that Vilma suffered from polio. So it comes under Vilma. Next, comes from a large family. We all know that in Vilma's family there are more than 14 members. So she has come from large family. Next, okay, she has come from large family. Next, deeply religious. Who is deeply religious? We all know that Raffer Johnson, because he used to pray a lot. Next, 10 different athletic events. Okay, who won different athletic events? That is Raffer Johnson. Okay, we can mention here. Next, a great sprinter. We all know that Vilma is a great sprinter. So you can write under Vilma. Next, a victim of disease. Who is victim of disease? Okay, that is Vilma Rudolph. She was affected by polio, right? That is a disease. So we can write under Vilma. Next, a victim of an accident. In this lesson, who is victim of an accident? That is Rafer Johnson. Okay, we can write under Rafer Johnson. Next, strong-willed. Okay, both of them have willpower, right? So we can write under both. Next, active and hardworking. Both of them are active and hardworking people, so we can write under both. Next, physically challenged. Okay, both of them are physically challenged, so it comes under both. I hope you understood these things. You just practice it. Thank you, Sairam.